Welcome back to another segment of How To. My name is Christian, and we're going to be learning how to make chili. So, for ingredients for chili, we need hamburger, main ingredient, can of chili, I prefer Brooks, an onion, V8 juice for the tomato sauce, some salt, some pepper, some onion powder, some chili powder, and I like it to be a little bit spicy, so I add some Indian red chili powder as well. Step 1, we're gonna fry the hamburger. At this point, when it's in the skillet, I like to season it with the salt and pepper, just kind of sprinkle it around, season it with it, give it a little bit of, I guess, flavor, and then just kind of stop when you think it feels right inside. So when you feed more people, I like to fry up about 2 pounds of hamburger. This one is about 2 1/4, so should feed a fair amount of people to last at least a week or so. So the hamburger looks all fried up. We turn off the stove and we need to strain it. Over here, I'm gonna start cutting up the onion so that we can start frying it, kind of get it caramelized, and that will be step 2. Since I'm using an electric stove, I want to move it off the burner so it doesn't just keep cooking it, because with electric it'll just keep going. And now for step 3, we're going to add the V8 juice into the crock pot. I want to put it in there as low as you can so you're not getting any splash. We're going to open the can of chili beans. Now we emptied the whole can into the crock pot. We're going to take the hamburger that we strained and we're going to dump it in. And now we're going to grab our onions. We're going to put them in as well. Mash that all down in there and mix it up. Now that we have that combined, we're going to add our onion powder, chili powder, and our Indian chili powder. And now we put the lid on. So every 20 minutes, we want to stir it, make sure it's not sticking to the sides, make sure it's not burning. And so in 20 minutes, we'll stir it. Now, we're going to change it from high down to low. All right, 2 hours are up. So for this chili, remember, what we did was we fried up the hamburger and then we strained it, chopped up all the onions, and then we caramelized them. And after doing that, we throw it all into the crock pot, cooked it for 2 hours, and then it comes out like this. They're hot. This has been another episode of How To. See you next week.